So you landed on this video because you heard that you can get 200 leads and build your downline for free. And you want to know how. Hey, I'm going to tell you. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? It's Kawan Money Mail, successful online entrepreneur, 6 and 7 figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies. And today I got something special to share with you guys. So, what if there was a way that you can build your downline for free? Okay, what if there was also a way that not only would you build your downline with 200 plus people, but you was also able to earn a commission from sales without you having to invest a dime? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. With Team Build Club, they allow you to do just that. When you sign up as a free member, okay, then what you're going to be able to do is get 200 leads, okay? Be very transparent, okay? 200 leads, but these are leads of real people like me, people like yourself, and when you sign up, then these people are placed on your downline. So that's just one way. Then when you bring in your personals, then that's another way that you earn, because now you earn off of them upgrading to higher packages. Now look, you can see people coming in right now, 533 visitors online right now, okay? So you're going to see over there to that left, you're going to see people actually coming in real time. But versus waiting for that, why don't we just go on the inside and show you what this is all about, okay? So let me go ahead and type in this code, so we can get into the back office. So I've only been in this company so far since yesterday, 24 hours. And within 24 hours, I want you to look right here. You see what it says? 417 members joined after me. So just in that small amount of time, already 417 members have joined. Now, this is phenomenal, because another thing I want you to notice is that, look, we have over 13,000 to date, and I'm going to be doing more videos. So as I do more videos, you're going to see that number go up dramatically. You'll even see that number go up probably by the time that we end this video. So let's play a game with ourselves right now. Let's actually remember that number. So it's 13,130, and I'm going to refresh the page a little bit later and see if that number changes. All right. So matter of fact, I'm going to even write that down myself so we don't forget, okay, in case we move or something changes. So you're going to say, what is that? 13,130. Okay. So we'll come back and see if that number changes. Now, also to the right of those, you see it's a basic. So it's 537 basic members. Okay. There's also 121 silver members, and 332 gold, 147 platinum, 120 diamond, and total members is actually 14,387. Okay, so I'm gonna put that number down as well, because that number is gonna change ultimately. So 13,387 members are already in here. When I got into it, you see it was 417 less than that. So that can show you just how popular this is already becoming, right? Now, you see where it says silver, gold, platinum, diamond. We're going to get into that, how much those are and all that. But just know that when, as a free member, you're earning off of all those levels, even though you have not invested a dime. So I'm going to break it down on how that's even possible. Okay. And we'll go into, that in a minute. But I just want to show you that the system does exactly what it says it's going to do. So first thing first, let's go see if it actually helped build my downline and actually place the quality leads up under me. So it's going to go to my network. Now right here, you see it says free downline. Okay. So let's go down there. So as you can see, I already have quite a few. Now remember, this is 24 hours. So this is 24 hours. So already, it look like I might already have the 200 right now. There it goes. So I already got 200 right there. Now you might even see names on here of people that you actually recognize and know in the field. Like I said, because this isn't just some junk list. What happens is, so let me tell you how genius this is. What happens is you come in, right? Okay, you come in, and then let me take it off of here real fast so we can go back up. So you come in, okay, and then after you come in, Everybody that comes in after you is going to get placed on your team. Okay, up to 200. Now, you can get 200 people on your team for every level. You go to basic, 200. You go to silver, that's another 200. Another 200. So, look, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And you still get the one you get. So, you literally can get 1,400 people put on your team right now. Build your downline and come out with a list of 1,400 quality people, because you know these are quality because these are people that actually opted in to be on there, right? So these are people like me and yourself. Now watch this. It gets even better. When you come to my network, you see right here where it says paid downline. Okay. So what that is people that actually upgraded. Now I don't know how many people upgraded since I've been in, but we're going to see. So, you know, you see people upgrade to, basic, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, right? So let's go to those real fast. So we go to paid downline details. Now, the reason why paid downline is important is because these people actually spent money. Okay, so this is going to be a much stronger lead. If I reach out to these people, you've already spent money within the system. So you're somebody that's more likely to spend money with one of my other offers, right? Because you're not just a looky-loo. You're not just a tire kicker. You're somebody that's actually taking action. So that is huge. Okay, so you can actually see paid downlines. Then you can see your personal, free referrals. So these are people that I put in personally, like, people I put in. Okay, so right now I got 15 here, and is that and 14 there. So 20. What we got? 25. 29. So I'm at 29 signups right now. Okay, but like I said, this is only 24 hours. So 24 hours, we already got 29 signups already to the good. So you see, it's already working. All right, and then we can go to personal paid. So let's see how many people is already paid in that 24 hours. Okay, let's see if I have any. So I already got 4 people that have paid. Okay, personals. Matter of fact, I didn't even see. So look up here, and this is in euros also, but I'm just going to speak as in USD. Okay, so we know we have at least 235. Okay, so look at that. Look at the balance. So that's over $235 right there, because this is euros. So we have at least. So that's what I'm going to say. We have at least every time I say that, because we know it's actually more. So I've already earned $235 already. Okay, and I've only been here for 24 hours. Now, let's go see just what you're able to do here. Okay, so let me go here. Let's go back to my network. Let's go back there. Okay. All right. So let's go actually see, how much this is and what's the benefit in upgrading and things like that. So let's hit the upgrade so you can see what this is all about. Okay. So when you're upgrading, I've already upgraded, but see, you can see the different packages, right? So I've already took it to diamond. So I went as far as you can go. Okay. So I'm at the diamond level right now, but you can upgrade to basic, which is 25. You can go to silver, which is 50. You can go to gold, which is 100. You can go to platinum, which is 200. Okay. And I just took it all the way to diamond, which is 500. So that way I can earn off of everything. So now when you go, and what I mean by earn is I earn 20% off of everything that's in the system, right? But this is where it gets sweet. I'm going to show you where it gets really sweet, because these are one-time payments also if anybody upgrades. So you're not going to be able to earn a residual of somebody earning once. Now, if you look right here, it says you are a diamond member. All the free, basic, silver, gold members, and platinum members are your guaranteed downlines. Plus, all the diamond members upgrading are you plus passive income from the diamond pool. So what I get to do now is I get to earn from that pool. So every diamond that upgrades, okay, every time somebody upgrades to diamond, I'm going to earn $100. Okay, so I'm gonna earn $100 every time someone goes to diamond, and then I'm gonna earn a percentage of platinum. I'm gonna earn a percentage of gold. I'm gonna earn a percentage of silver. You know what I mean? I'm gonna earn a percentage of basic. Okay, of every time someone upgrades to these levels. So, excuse me. Let me back that up. A gold, platinum, diamond is the pool, and that's your residual. Okay, so the other ones you're gonna earn regardless. You're gonna earn 10%, you're gonna earn 20%, but the pool Okay, and that's where it gets sweet. Okay, that's where it gets sweet, is where you really want to be at, because the pool is going to allow you to earn a percentage. And I believe we got slides here that I can go to and show. Let's just get to it. Okay, so this is where it gets sweet at. Okay, because you're gonna earn, see, as a free member, you get 10%. Okay, all these. Okay, so you earn 10% of the 5 and 200 and 100 and all that, regardless. But then the pool kicks in, okay, as you can see, when you actually join these levels. And now I get a percentage, you get a percentage of the gold pool, you get a percentage of the platinum pool, you get a percentage of the diamond pool, but you gotta be in it, because if you're not in it, then you're gonna miss out and you won't be able to earn that residual. And that's everybody that came in after me. So now look, that's 421 members, right? And out of those 421, remember, a certain amount already had upgraded to the gold and platinum and stuff like that. So those 4, boom, I'll already be earning from. See what I'm saying? And that's how you get a residual out of this, because all the people that's in the system that's coming in, when they upgrade the gold, when they upgrade the platinum, when they upgrade the diamond, you're going to earn from that. Okay? But even if you don't do any of that, and this is the reason why this is such so cool, is because you're going to still, as a free member, like you say, you still get all these different things. Okay? As a free member. Okay, so you don't even have to, and then if you go to basic member, then you earn 20%, and that's only $25. So, and remember, these are one-time payments. So you pay one time, and now that's the sweet spot. So you can see that most people are coming in from basic, okay, and then jumping right over to gold. Really, they're jumping over silver because the benefits are so much better. You might as well just, for that little bit more, look, it's 50 to go to silver, but only 100 to go to gold. So you might as well just go to gold. All right, so here's how much you can actually see that you'll be earning. Okay, now remember, even as a free member, you get paid regardless. Okay, so you can't pay half of these commissions, as you can see. So look at this, even as a free member, you're getting paid. Somebody gets signs up for the diamond, you're getting that diamond price. So as you can see, the basic $5, silver is 10, pays 20 for the gold, 40 for the platinum, $100 for the diamond. So anytime somebody upgrades to these levels, that's how much you're getting paid. Then on your level 2, you're getting paid $2, $5, $10, $20, and $50. You get the most on your level 1 and 2. From the rest down, remember, you get paid 10 levels deep. Then it's 1, 2, 3, 6, and 15, all the way down for the rest of the levels. So you can strategically help your team, because at that point you can share links if you want to down these levels, and it's going to be the same regardless whether it was this person, or that person. You're still getting paid the 1, 2, 3, 6, and 15. Just depends on whether they came in basic all the way up to diamond and anything in between. Okay, so I'm going to break these down a little bit more in another video. I'm actually going to break down the comp plan. I'm going to play this video and just break down the comp plan. But for this one, we're just going to keep it short and sweet. So now let's go see, okay, and I'm going to break down all the tools in here too. But for right now, let's just go see how many people joined this short amount of time, okay, that we've been doing this. So we stopped at 13,130. Now we at 13,161. So like 30 people have joined since we've been on here. We had 14,387. We are now at 14,424. Over 450 members have joined after I have joined, and that was 24 hours ago, which you can see right here, the date I joined, 11/10/2021 at 1:41 p.m. and it is right now October 11th and 1:12. So almost exactly 24 hours, literally. All right. So you can see here I already got 237 euros. So we're going to say no less than $237. And that number is definitely going to go up as people start upgrading from gold, platinum, diamond, so forth and so on. Okay, I'm already a diamond member. All right, guys. So I'm going to break everything down in another video, but we start breaking down all these different other features. But for right now, we're just going to show you that this is Team Build Club. You can join right now. Just hit the link below. It is actually free, okay, to join. So this is what we're going to do. I'm not even going to put the link. This is what we're going to do. All you got to do is just text the word leaves, okay, to 702-553-3326. And then I'll send you the link to get started. How's that? All right. So again, just text the word leads to 702-553-3326. Or maybe I'll bless you with a link below. I mean, you can just hit the link too. All right, for my international people. All right, so hey, be on the lookout for my videos. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel and hit that subscribe bell. Hit that bell. That way you get notified when I do these videos as well. I appreciate you. I'm gonna see you on the next one. There will be more. Until then, have a blessed day.